COPE stands for Coastlines and People. It's a large-scale effort where we will go from all the way from Rocky Mount all the way down to Aurora. Today, we spent some time this morning going through places in Greenville. This large-scale monitoring helps us keep track of and discover areas that might have issues. The waters in the Tar-Pamlico watershed are considered nutrient sensitive, so we want to make sure we're keeping track of those nutrients, but then also you can have issues with coliforms, which are a form of bacteria, and fecal coliforms are associated with E. coli infections, especially in sites with recreation and swimming. And we also measure things like pH, temperature, dissolved oxygen, conductivity to see how much salt is intruding from the ocean, as well as measuring things like phosphorus and nitrogen, which are nutrients that can pollute the water and create algal blooms or contribute to harmful algal blooms. We have a lot of different people involved in this project. We have undergrads that we help train to do different skills in the field. We'll go out and we'll measure with something called a Pro-DSS, which is a multi-parameter probe that measures all of those parameters like temperature, DO, and pH. And we teach students how to calibrate that, but we also teach the students how to measure nitrogen and phosphorus, how to measure the coliform back in the lab. There's a lot of different people working on the project, from undergrads to faculty members to even community members who will come out and help us. And so we always need all the help we can get monitoring these issues in our communities. One of my favorite things about doing the COPE project is I get to go out and see the beautiful environment around North Carolina. I get to drive across, so I get to see wildlife when I'm out there. There's plenty of wildlife to see around these rivers, and that's why it's good to try and spread a message where we want to preserve that.